Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I am going to show how you can install and run Irfanview PC software in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to show how you can install and run Irfanview PC software in your Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So basically, Irfanview is a image viewing software where you can also edit the image, you can view the image, you can edit the image, you can also play the videos and audios while using that software. So basically, Irfanview is a very popular software for the Windows, the people who know about this. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can install and run Irfanview PC software in your Android. So there are a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. In that videos, I have shown how you can install and run any PC software, the PC softwares like Photoshop, Microsoft, and many other PC softwares I have shown, and the many other image viewing software. So my channel motto is to show you how you can make your Android into a PC, or how you can use PC softwares in your Android, and the people who don't have PC can use this method and can also follow this procedure. So if you don't have PC and want to use any PC software, you can follow my YouTube channel. You will find every single software on my YouTube channel, and I've also shown how you can run any Windows, not only the Windows XP 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 11, the latest version of the Windows 11 also I have run in my Android phone, and you can also do that while following my procedure videos on my previous videos. And also I have run the Mac OS, the Linux, the different versions of the Linux I have shown on my YouTube channel. So there are a lot of upcoming YouTube videos on my YouTube channel that I'm going to show the another different versions of the Windows and softwares. If you want a particular software, if you want to run in your Android, let me know in the comments. I try to make a video on it. So let's start the procedure how we can run Irfanview software in your Android. First of all, you have to download and install Exagear Windows Emulator application. The downloading in the description. So let me just give a quick brief about this application. The Exagear Windows Emulator application is an emulator application for the Android. So there is a separate tutorial video on my YouTube channel. In that video, I have shown how you can install and run Exagear Windows Emulator application and in your Android phone. I have made a separate tutorial video and have given the download link in the description. You can check out there and download from there. So as you can see on the screen, this is the mod Exagear Windows Emulator application. While using this software, you can run almost all the PC softwares, Windows PC software in your Android. So this is the application. If you are old to my YouTube channel, you will know about this. If you know to me, if you are new to my YouTube channel, I'm going to explain how you can do that. So first of all, you have to download the Exagear Windows Emulator application, and second thing, you have to download the Irfanview setup file. So I'm using the official version of the Irfanview software. Now you have to open the Exagear Windows Emulator application. You have to click on these three lines, you have to click on the manage containers, you have to click on these three dots, you have to click on the run explorer. After clicking run explorer, it will saying launching application. It means the desktop of the Exagear Windows Emulator application has been launching over here, and as you can see it in the landscape mode. So let me just turn the Android phone, set up my camera, and come back again. So you can see in the screen, this is the Exagear Windows Emulator application desktop, and this is the file manager, and it will similarly look like the Windows. If you are new to this video, let me just show you. This is the start button. From here you can open all the programs. This is all the programs which I've installed, and I've already made a YouTube video on my YouTube channel. You can check out. This is the control panel. You can add, remove, game controlling, and internet settings, all the settings over here. So this is the file manager. So make sure, I forget to mention it earlier, if you downloaded any setup file, make sure to keep it in the download folder of your Android internal storage, because the Exagear Windows Emulator application will going to access the files from the D drive from only the download folder of your Android internal storage. So make sure you keeping the file in the download folder. So as you can see in the screen, this is the D drive just now open, and this is all the files from my download folder. So this is the Irfanview software. So let me just long press on it. Let me just click to open. After clicking open, it will saying select the destination. So if you have already selected, it will automatically selected the C drive, and this is all the things we are going to install. Let me just click to next, agree the license, And as I mentioned earlier, we are using the official version of the Irfanview. So let me just click to next and click to next, and it will saying installing, please wait. Here you have to wait for a while, and as you can see in the screen, within few movements the software has been installed. So let me just click on the start Irfanview software and let me just click to done. Within few seconds the software has been installed and open up here. So let me just minimize the screen, maximize the screen, and as you can see in the screen, this is the software. So let me just click on the files, click on the open. So I'm going to show you how you can use this software, how you can view any image in the Exagear Windows Emulator application. So if you are making your Android phone into a PC, so you need an app software that can open any images in the Exagear Windows Emulator application. So basically there is no application software available in the Exagear to view any software. You have to install, and in my previous video I've shown how you can install different softwares, the image view and the other software. So this is the Irfanview software. I have installed the very popular software for the Windows. Now I'm going to already downloaded the image in my Android phone to view in this software. So make sure to keep all the files. If you want to open any file in the Android phone, you have to keep it in the download folder of your Android internal storage to access here. So you have to open the D drive, you have to open any image. So this is the image I have downloaded. Let me just click on the, and you can select the file type, which file you can you are going to open. So there are a lot of file options over here. So this is the very great thing I have found in this Irfanview software. If you having file apart from the image file, you can open ANICURAVIP body paint file, Casico camera file, and Corel Draw file, PowerPoint file, and there are a lot of files supported by this Irfanview software. That's the reason the software is very popular. So as you can see, this is the GIMP file and all support graphic files. So they are supporting all the files to view any type of image. So this is the great thing I have found that about this Irfanview, the software. That's why I'm showing how you can use it. So let me just open the image, and it will giving preview over here. So let me just click on the open. After opening, as you can see, this is my channel logo over here. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you want to join my channel, you can get the membership of my YouTube channel. So as you can see in the screen, this is all the options. Edit, as I mentioned earlier, you can edit the files, you can view the files, and there are a lot of features over here you can use. Every single software, every single feature of this software is perfectly working. View, so any type of file you can open, view, you can edit, you can use it in the internet. As soon I'm going to show how you can install any PC software, the browser software where you can do browsing, a lot of browsing, and you can use any files. So as you can see, just now zoom in the file. Let me just zoom out. So this is how you can zoom out and zoom in, and you can get the toolbar. As you can see in the screen, there are a lot of options over here. Start, exit option, viewing, browsing, toolbar. In here toolbar, you have a lot of options over here, as you can see in the screen. Every single features of this perfectly working. You can edit the toolbar, you can get the more options, and you can read about it. Like this is the file opening, and this is the video opening, and we can print from directly here. There is no printer installed at the moment, but soon I'm going to show you a video how you can print anything while using, well, soon when I get a printer, I will show you, make a video on it. So as you can see in the screen, this is all the features of the software, and the reason behind showing this software installing in Android with using Exagear, because this Irfanview is perfectly working in Android, not as well as, but the software is very popular, and the software can open any type of file and thumbnails, as you can see in the screen. So this is the Irfanview software perfectly working and running in Android with using Exagear Windows Emulator application. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.